Hello and welcome to today's webinar. Today we will speak about our new license system, AEC Portal. So the agenda for today is start off with the purpose of the webinar, and then we will discuss why we are changing our license system. Then after that, it will talk about what type of license types we are offering and also what kind of roles you can have within the AEC Portal. And after that, it will be more instruction how to sign up to the portal, how to download products, and so on. And then in the end, we will take some questions and also what will happen after this webinar for our customers. So the purpose of the webinar, first of all, the big purpose is to just get an insight of the process of AEC Portal. So first of all, you can have different approaches depending on what our customers want to do and so on. And then also we will show more this step-by-step how to download products and how you see what type of licenses you have, how do you log into your portal, and how you access your license in AEC products. So why are we changing our license systems? First of all, it will be a serverless solution. So this will mean that it will be much more reduced administrative work for our customers. You will also have faster access to installation files and updates. It will in general be more easy internal administrative work with our licenses in this new system. And we're also able now to offer named user license. So different license types we're offering and what type of roles there are in AEC Portal. First of all, like I mentioned in the slide before, this named user license is a new license type, and you can say this is more of a cloud-based license, so it checks when you log in if there's an active license to your product. And next one is network license, and this one is more you have a number of license. So when you start your software, you will pick a license from this, and then when you don't use the product, you will release the license. Then we have a bit of a special license called single license, and this is more for customers that are working in security classified projects, so they cannot have an internet connection. So this is let's say a unique license type we're not offering to everyone. And the roles we have in AEC Portal is first of all user default, which is the one that most of you will have. With this role, you will be able to see what type of active licenses you have, and you can also then download products from AEC Portal. Although you will also see what your company has for type of license. And admin is for us at AEC, so it's for example, when a new customer buys a product, we will set up the company in the AEC Portal, and then we will assign how many licenses and which licenses this company should have. And then we have a optional role, which is not mandatory. And as a basic, you have the same rights as a user default, but then you can also go in and add users and assign specific users specific licenses if it's interesting for the company. But worth mentioning is that if this is not interesting for you, we can also do this type of work for you. So here, the first time you log into the portal is that you will have this dialog. Here you will type your email address and click sign up. After that, you will get an email, and you will get a link in that email which you click and you follow, and then you will come to this steps. And here you want to sign up with your Microsoft ID and follow this standard Microsoft instructions, where you need to have your application, the Authenticator app, which you then scan this QR code. So you add AEC in your Microsoft ID. And then after that, you are able to log into the portal. So this step you only do once the first time, and after that you will have this type of login where you just log in with Microsoft. So when you are logged in on the AEC portal, you have possibility to go to My Pages, and there you will find all your the AEC products and the products you have licensed to. And from there, it's you can download the product, so you will get this normal installation file basically. And inside this My Pages, it will also be guides, quick guides for AEC Portal, but also it will be uploaded manuals for the different AEC projects that we are offering. So from a view of the user role, so how do I access my license? And then we have two options how to do this. First of all, now the steps before, you were in My Pages, you have downloaded your AEC product. So now you have run the installation and you have the product. So now you have to activate your license. And to do so, you go to, depending on which product, but license configuration icon, and you will get up this dialog. And in this dialog, you can press the user button that is in the top right corner, and then you will have two options how to log in. So if we look here, you have either sign up or you have login Microsoft. And it differs what you need to do. So the steps before, the slides before, we checked. If you have done those, you have signed up, you have scanned the QR code and all of that, you will just need to log into Microsoft. But if you haven't done it, let's say a company admin has maybe just done that process, you still have to do the sign up process. Although if you're not sure, you can always try to sign up, because if you're already signed up, it will tell you, and then you just press login. So it's no worries to try out the sign up option. And from the company admin's role, here is this, as we looked at before, you have all those same processes, how to get the products and how you activate your license in AEC products. But this is the extra feature where you can then assign licenses to users within your company. So if you have the role company admin, you will have more in the AEC portal. You will see more. So you have here under admin and company, you can then press here and you will see all the users within your company. And if you want to add users, you can do it two ways. So we have a import users with the Excel option. So then you can have a Excel with all your users and all their information. And then you just upload that. So it goes a bit quicker if you're having many. But you can also then manually add users one by one, and then you do press here. When you have done that, for the users to skip this sign up step, you can then press invite silent, and then you will do it for them. So then the other user don't need to think about signing up. And after that, you can also then choose a user and assign a specific license to them. And The purpose of this is maybe if you don't want anyone else to take or pick that license from this person. So then you're like securing that this specific person gets this specific license. So now we've gone through a little bit about AEC Portal and the processes. So what happens now is that, first of all, this will not, anything will not just happen without you know it. So we will contact all our customers during the fall here, during 2024, and we will help you out to get set up with the new license system. Today we didn't go in too much in the company admin role, but with when we are contacting you during the fall, depending on your needs, we will show more about this role, and depending if you want it or not. Like as I mentioned in the beginning, we can also be company admins for you. In general, if you have any questions, you can always contact our support by the email here or call the number as you see here in the slide. So a bit maybe questions that has popped up in your heads meanwhile this webinar. Will this be any additional cost? No, it will not change anything in your cost. So it will look the same as before. What happens with your old licenses? Well, this transition to the new license system will be gradually happening. So when your old licenses are expiring, then we will move them to the new license system. So, and you will be contacted with this. So it's not like a thing that you need to specifically think about in that case. So yes, thank you so much for this webinar. I hope this helped you understand a bit more about the new license system, and I hope we will contact you soon about the transition. Thank you.